Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change currency Alibaba application on computer. So how to change currency Alibaba application on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Alibaba application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Alibaba. Just point the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many choices. Tap this icon. Now a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the down arrow on the currency section. Now here will appear many currencies from various countries. You can change them. Choose one. After finishing, tap Save. Now scroll down. You can see the currency has changed. For example, I will change to the dollar currency again. Go to the previous menu and select the currency. Select the dollar and tap Save. So that's it, tutorial how to change currency Alibaba application on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.